the trailer. Oh, how did you guys feel? Ano mo tumatakbo sa isipan nyo? Knowing that you guys came from somewhere, a big shoot, di ba? Then, diretso kayo dito and watching this one na malapit na yung palabas sa sinihan.
It's real. Yun. Na dito na tayo and we're finally sharing a piece of our film. Because a lot of people have been wondering when we'll be giving out snippets. Kasi wala pa talaga, di ba? So, we're just very happy that finally we got to include this already. And tama ka, Kuya Robs, galing kaming shoot. Parang kami nasa portal minsan. Papasok kami, magiging Cisco, Cheska, tapos lalabas. Ngayon kailangan namin nag-promote and then babalik sa portal. So, you know, it's a lot of mixed emotions seeing this. And I'm just glad that we get to spend it with this whole cast and everyone here sa Bless, who's been very supportive throughout me and Belle's journey, you know, all these years.
How about you, Belle? You're getting emotional.
Hindi.
Are you okay?
Wala pa. Hindi pa
Okay,
kaya.
wala pa.
Mamaya.
Wala pa.
Siguro watching it, parang sabi ko, oh my God, mahirap kumalas. Even after siguro matapos namin i-film tong movie, ang hirap kumalas, you know? But seeing it now, I'm just very excited talaga na mapanood lahat and makita nila yung story ni Cisco and ni Cheska.
Yes, Direk? Oh, Direk is gonna say something.
Ako po talaga naatasa mag-react, sabi ko ayoko. But after watching, sabi ko ang damot ng trailer.
In what sense,
there is
Direk?
so much more in this film than meets the eye. Yung nakita nyo, sobrang ang damot talaga na parang patikim, and yet, naramdaman ko. Di ba? Naramdaman ko kung ano yung gusto namin sabihin. But, yun lang, parang sisakos. Hindi nga to trailer para sa akin, para sa teaser. Kasi talagang tinitease kayo kasi there is so much more to film.
Direk, gusto niyo kausapin natin yung mga
Hindi ko
gumawa ng
sasabi sa
trailer?
usapan.
Tinatawag natin, ba't ang damot niyo raw?
Ay, nako, another discussion.
No, but a beautiful trailer at that, no? Kasi, binuin mo wala kang binigay and yet, you felt something. Ay, that's worth something.
Yeah. Miss Van, I was gonna ask you, sabi ni Miss Van, ako na naman. No, really, how does it feel na your creation is now coming to life and now nakita natin yung trailer for that. There's this big project of Star City One.
Nung sinabi mong creation, ano yung creation? Ang tumatak sa isip ko nung sinabi mong creation, silang dalawa. Kasi they began with me. And in a way, di ba, their journey as a love team is coming to a pause. I don't want to say an end kasi for now, di ba? So, ang saya nung feeling na kasama nila ako dito sa stop na to. Kasi nga, sa akin sila nagsimula. So, sabi ko nga, kaming tatlo rin pala sa wakas. Tayong tatlo rin pala sa wakas. So,
Full circle.
natutuwa ako nung nakikita ko talaga yung trailer kasi ang laki ng pinagbago nila mula nung una ko silang nakasama. And yun, so sana po talaga panoorin nyo kasi ibang-ibang Donnie at Belle at mapapanood nyo at para sa mga fans sila, super mapaproud kayo sa kanilang dalawa. Hindi sayang lahat ng panahon, lahat ng pagmamahal, lahat ng effort na binigay nyo para dito sa dalawang pinakamamahal idol. So yun, nakakatuwa lang na nakita ko sila, ibang-iba sila.
Yes, Joros.
Gusto ko lang idagdag yung road trip nila with Miss Van. Yung journey nila with Miss Van. Para talaga. And
Saktong-sakto, pun intended.
ay, direct ko lang nasabi kanina.
Kaya pala gusto ng tissue ni Direk kasi hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng emotion, tatawa ba, iiyak, yung mararamdaman, all sorts maybe in this film, no? But just like what Miss Franz said a while ago, you guys started. And easy to her.
At sino nag-host ng MediaCon namin?
I did that. I did that via Zoom.
Via Zoom,
Salamat,
yes.
Kuya Robby,
And now, yung big announcement niyo that this probably might be the last project for now of Donnie and Belle. We're here again. So, full circle moment for everyone involved in this media launch. So without further ado, you guys ready for the Q&A? It felt like a pageant. So let's begin. Okay, and we shall start with the question coming from Mika Savio from Push ABS-CBN, and this goes out to Donnie and Belle. What new aspects of yourselves did you discover while portraying your characters?
Taas na ako.
Yes.
Ako po, ang dami ko pang dapat tutunan. At ang matutunan, di ba? Si Direk na to. Ang dami ko pa dapat matutunan. Sobrang dami kasi ang lalim-lalim ng characters namin dito. Sobrang intricate. And it made me understand so much more about love.
Oh, wow. How about you, Donnie? Big words yan, ah.
Kaya nga eh. I think in order for you to reach the character of Cisco, I really learned to open up and to reach a side to myself that's vulnerable, super vulnerable, na hindi ko ata naranasan pa. Pero kasi kailangan yun sa depth ng character niya. And yun, nalaman ko na if you really are just honest with yourself and your feelings, mapupuntahan mo yun.
And just hearing you guys talk, probably ito na yung pinakamalaki, pinaka-complicated, complex characters na tinake nyo. Kasi before, maraming characters kayong tagampanan. Pero ito na ba yung pinaka-kakaiba? Pinaka-mabigat?
Yes, kasi ano siya eh. Different sides, different stages of a relationship. So if you go through all of that, diba, in a journey, you'll start with the kilig, you'll start with the honeymoon phase, and then you'll go to the realization that you become, you know, familiar with each other, tas doon na yung mga problems na mag-arise. So I think it's a combination of all our characters in different stages of their life.
You go through different seasons of love.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. There's another question coming from Nika, and I'll just, couple them together. Were there particular scenes that pushed you out of your comfort zones? How did you handle them?
Meron bang hindi?
Lahat po.
Meron bang hindi? You wanna start? Yeah?
Dami. Direk. Dami. Pero yung pinaka-tumatak sa akin was, wala ba ako mag-spoil? Hindi naman. Yung confro siguro.
Confrontational.
Yun talaga. Kasi ang dami kong kailangan hugutin. And yun nga, sabi ko ang dami ko pang kailangan matutunan.
How about you, Donsky?
Ang dami ko yung Robs. Ang sobrang na-appreciate kasi namin ni Belle is si Direk Cathy, kakampi namin siya dito. And she's very open with us. She's very comfortable telling us what we need to hear. And, sobrang na-appreciate namin yun kasi hindi namin magagawa yung eksena kung hindi namin siya kakampi. Parang kung nakikita namin na kailangan natin lang tapusin to kasi, syempre, time constraints or whatever the reason may be. But, it felt like a safe place, and I think that's why we're able to just be who we need to be.
To add to that, she really knows how to paano ka pigain. She knows what buttons to press para ilabas yung totoong emosyon.
That's why she's an acclaimed director.
Yung reaction ni Direk ko, parang kailangan po natin mag-pan.
Happy birthday, Direk.
Happy
Pero,
birthday, Direk.
Pinapalahat ng mga magagandang salita. Pero syempre, we give that to the acclaimed director. Everyone wants to work or to be part of Direk Cathy Garcia Sampanas cast, diba? One way or another. Joras, you would like to add something?
Kasi nabanggit nga kanina na kapag si Direk talaga nagpa-wig na,
Oh.
ibang dito ibang level yung wig.
Paano po
Pati yung mga cameraman namin naka-wig na lahat dito.
Binigay na lahat.
Dito na talaga lahat. Diba, dapat nga may in-endorso na tayong nagbebenta ng wig.
Peluka.
Oo, nandun na lahat ng klase na mapapanood nyo rito.
Abangan
May
namin yan.
multiverse ng wig.
Tayo sa peluka.
Oo.
Pero magiging sequel nito. Salamat, Joros. Okay, one last question coming from Nika for Donnie and Belden. As this project marks a new chapter for the both of you, what important lessons are you taking with you moving forward? Besides the wigs.
Topic tayo. And then, siguro this project really made me required so much patience in me. Ayun siya. Kasi sobrang na-challenge nga ako dito. Sabi ko, oh my God, paano ba to? Pero, yun nga, by the end of the day, you know, put your trust in the rec, the creatives, lahat sila dito. We're all in this as one, and we're here together to help one another. Ayun, so it required so much patience sa sarili ko and extend more grace to myself.
Parang ano no? You became a different being after, not just an actress, pero overall a human being in this
Yes.
film. Same with Donnie?
Yeah, I would agree. Give yourself more slack, you know. Hindi madali yung ginagawa naming pelikula. But the fact that we get to do it with each other, I think makes it so much more worthy of doing this craft, and we're so passionate because we know that everyone wants what's best for it. So I think that's the biggest lesson is, as long as you do things together, no matter where you are, no matter what your mindset is, basta nandun kayo, aligned kayo, di ba? Parang, ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam because you know that may kakampi kayo.
And we have seen so much growth, not just in the teaser, not just in the trailer, but even now, coming from you guys, you exude growth, diba? Not just the haircut, not just the peluca or the wigs, but really, as actors, actresses, and producers in this film. Great job. Okay, now we move on to